Hello and welcome back to the SATA UK YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the SATAjet 100 range of spray guns, which are designed for the application of primers. Now the range itself consists of dedicated setups for the application of high build primer, wet on wet or non-sand primer, UV primer and polyester filler. This gun is set up with the 1.8 setup, which is really the preferred setup for high build primer. Some people prefer the 1.6, so in essence either 1.6 or 1.8 is perfect for your high builds. Now if you want to move from high build and you want to be applying the wet on wet or non-sand primer, then we have a dedicated setup which is the 1.4. Now it's very important with that setup that we understand that it's not just the designation in terms of size that makes a difference. It's because this gun was specifically designed so the spray pattern and the wetness to the outside of the pattern was very consistent, because that is so important with the application of wet on wet primer. Now another interesting point about the application of wet on wet is that this gun is very flexible and you can use it at anywhere from really 1.5 to bar. So if you're looking for very high material economy, particularly with the non-sands, then I would suggest you apply it at about 1.5 with the gun trigger. In addition, we also do the same gun body but with a 1.1 UV setup, which is obviously for the ultraviolet materials. Again, a dedicated setup and used extensively in the industry by the paint companies who support that technology. We also offer the SATAjet 100 BP, P as in polyester. Now that has a setup which has got very short horns on the air cap, and that ensures that when you're applying very heavy materials you also reduce the amount of overspray that's coming away from there. Now this setup is around 2.5, so it's a big setup. Now it really has proved extremely popular with the sort of guys who are doing restoration work where they may be covering the entire body of a vintage vehicle with this polyester. Now I've spoken to many guys who said it's possibly the most important gun in their arsenal, because if you haven't got a gun dedicated to do that, it can be a very time consuming and awkward process. So when you look at the 100, there are a couple of differences with the standard guns. The RP version we've talked about primarily is designed with the blue air cap ring. We also do an equivalent range under the HVLP technology, and to be fair, in the UK marketplace we've tended to go with the RP version because the air consumption is lower. And then finally the BP version, in fact on that one the gun body is in black and the air cap ring is in red. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to obtain a demonstration of these products, then please don't hesitate to contact us. The best way would be via the information below. So I'll leave you there. Thank you again for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and if necessary leave comments. Thank you.